So now let's see how we can utilize the virtual segment delete tool inside of Corel Draw. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go around and let's say, for example, grab this particular shape right here, and then I'm going to go around and drag these shapes across just like this as well. So let's say now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and delete out the a line right here just like this. In that case, what I can do is I can utilize something called the virtual segment delete tool. So I'm just going to go around and select this out right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto the crop tool area, and here you can see that virtual segment delete tool is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here just like this, then what happens is that it takes this particular point itself, and you can see that it deletes out from one intersection point to another intersection point right here just like that. Similarly, I can go ahead and do that right here as well and delete out these points as I please right here just like this. I can go ahead and delete this right here. I can go ahead and delete this right here and delete this out. Then you can see that this is how you can go ahead and delete out the virtual segment points in between just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.